Give her a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.
Put your hands together for Mastami Sandhu.
A great beauty, a great teamwork.
Mr. Gorbatov has also finished his dish.
Ladies and gentlemen, we present to you team number 8 with their dish.
Request all our chefs over here who have made their dishes to please wait by the counter, hold the dish while we move all the guests in, and y'all can take. We will inform you all when y'all can go in. So I request y'all to stay by the counter itself. I'd request the guests who have just arrived to please go into the ballroom. Can I please request the guests to please move towards the ballroom?
Ladies and gentlemen, presents team number 6 with their labor of love, a great culinary art. Ladies. Ladies, and to step inside the ballroom, we invite you to join us inside. Invite the judges to step inside. Judges, would you please step inside the ballroom? We're here at the Hyatt Regency Chennai this evening, celebrating the Chennai round of the Hyatt India Culinary.
Okay, yeah. So we go with we do the second and then the first, or we do
second and then
second and first.
So we will, so that we will receive them accordingly.
Yeah.
Just about trying. Chef, if you can help us when the dish comes, if you can just cut it a little bit and put it on the plate. We will.
She was very organized.
Yeah.
We are waiting for the bride.
It's a very good event, I have to say. Good fun, huh?
Wonderful energy.
Yeah.
Very good.
I didn't know this is what you invited me for. I said, what do you mean?
I'm sure a lot of organizations too much.
Lot. And you need to get the press involved.
Yeah.
And social media, we are non-stop tweeting and shooting.
Evolve over the years as a unique Hyatt brand property. We proudly present to you inaugural session brought to you by people. We have had here some of the top corporate leaders and their families who have just showcased their extraordinary culinary skills. The winner for Hyatt Regency Delhi on the 22nd of November at the Mansion. For this event, Hyatt India has partnered with Smile Foundation, and a child from the foundation has been a support to each contestant.
Thank you, Shubham. The Hyatt India Culinary Challenge is a way of honoring time-tested culinary traditions of Hyatt. It's our way of bringing the platform for your sharing of passion for food. We are here at the ballroom of Hyatt Regency Chennai, and we have witnessed a great show of talent and a great work of culinary art. So firstly, I'd like to request all our guests over here to put their hands together for all the contestants who are here for their great work.
I'll call them.
Put your hands together, guys. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together.
Ladies and gentlemen, please give a huge round of applause to our 9 winning teams. 9 winning teams, 9 industry leaders who've come here together on this platform with one common passion, and the passion is the passion for food, the love for food. There are a lot of social media during this event, so we encourage you to do the same. Please feel free to use your Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, post the pictures, like us, tag us, and do not forget to use hashtag #CookWithHyatt. People. And now, ladies and gentlemen, it's judgment time. So we'd like to invite the teams one by one to come up here on the stage and present to our judges what they've prepared this evening. So I will call the teams by numbers. Please come up here and present your works of culinary art, your labors of love. Please present them for the judges to give their verdict. We'll now call upon the first team led by Mr. Gautam Bulchandani from Royal Stitches, team number 1. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the one and only dessert of the evening prepared by Mr. Gautam Bulchandani. Mr. Bulchandani, would you like to share what you've prepared this evening?
I have prepared a dark chocolate rum velvety mousse. It's something very close to my heart. It's probably one of the first dishes I learned to make, and it's a very simple dish. And the reason I chose this dish is because I learned this as a child, and today we were teaching the kids from the Smile Foundation, and I thought this is a great way for them to start learning. And Sham has done an incredible job. Come on, Sham. Sham has learned, a lot of.
Please put your hands together for Sham.
Yeah. And cooking is all about love, is all about feeding, is all about making people happy, le bon vivant.
Ladies and gentlemen, that was team number 1.
I have to say that it's absolutely gorgeous. Congratulations. And I think, I wish I could invite all of you to come and have a lick.
Ladies and gentlemen, that was team number 1, and we've already heard from Ms. Doctor that her favorite dish is chocolate, and of course we'll all join her in saying that chocolate is, of course, many of our favorites. So thank you very much, team number 1.
Do we take that off?
like to call upon stage team number 2, led by Ms. Rashmi Rai from Marundeshwara Enterprises. Team number 2 for you, ladies and gentlemen. Ms. Rai, we would like you to present your dish to us. Would you tell us a little bit about the dish that you've cooked for us this evening?
Okay, Pavitra and I have cooked. Can you hear me? Yeah. Pavitra and I have cooked Kori the Gassi and Nathan Uppu. It's very typically a Mangalorean dish from the western part of India, and it uses coconut milk and very flavorful. And you know, any Mangalorean, that's staple, and we love it. And it's a labor of love and courage. Pavitra wasn't doing well, but she supported me all the way. So thank you.
Please put your hands together for team 2.
Ladies and gentlemen, that was team number 2, and we've seen some great teamwork from team number 2. They presented their dish to our judges here now.
Thank you very much.
We'd now like to call upon stage team number 3, led by Captain Gurprasad Kohli from the Wallenius Williamson Logistics. We've seen earlier on, ladies and gentlemen, this team supported by a huge fan following. There was a huge group of fans that was egging on the contestant, encouraging them, inspiring them, and now it's time for judgment, the moment of truth, ladies and gentlemen.
So I've cooked a bhetki fish in a pot style. There's some apple sabji, very simple, the way they make it in the mountains, and some rice with garlic inside. Fairly simple food. I hope you like it.